Actually, I just want this one on the phone. Otherwise, a bit fade away. We can just in like a normal one.
Yeah.
And then just you have to cock it or just fire it?
Yeah, you've got to cock it to get the bullet out of the magazine into the...
Like that?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
You filming? Jesus Christ! Fuck! I can't hear anything! I can't hear anything!
I got this one left.
No, that's alright.
Right,
My ears won't take it.
Jesus Christ, you filming or photoing? Filming. Hold on. Look filming as I'm running away. Make it look like you're going to shoot, that would be quite funny. Are you going to draw it or something?
Oh man.